Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to iterate JSON data in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all of Power Automate's automation features and allow you to create new flows. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Click on the Create option. This will open up different flow creation options for you to choose from, allowing you to start building your automation. From the available options, click on Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automating tasks that run based on specific triggers, which is exactly what we need for working with JSON data. When the setup window appears, you'll see options to configure your flow. Simply click Skip to bypass the initial setup and get straight to building your flow from scratch. This gives you more control over how you want to structure your automation. Now click Add a Trigger to begin defining what will start your flow. A search box will appear, and here you'll want to search for Manually Trigger a Flow and click on it. This trigger allows you to run your automation on demand, which is ideal for testing and working with JSON data. Next, click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search box that appears, type Compose and click on it. The Compose action is incredibly useful because it lets you store and work with data within your flow, making it perfect for handling JSON input. In the input field of the Compose action, paste your sample JSON data. This is the data you'll be passing and iterating through, so make sure it's formatted correctly. Pasting it here allows Power Automate to process and work with your JSON structure. Click the plus icon again to add another action. This time search for Parse JSON and click on it. This action is crucial because it takes your raw JSON data and breaks it down into individual fields that you can access and use throughout your flow. Now click on the content field within the Parse JSON action. A dynamic content panel will appear on the right side. Click the thunder icon and select outputs from the previous Compose action. This connects the JSON you pasted earlier to the Parse JSON action for processing. In the schema field, you'll need to define the structure of your JSON. Click on Use Sample Payload to generate schema. A text box will appear where you should paste the same JSON data you used earlier. After pasting, click Done, and Power Automate will automatically generate the schema for you. This step is essential because it tells the flow exactly how your JSON is structured. Click the plus icon once more and search for Compose again, then click on it. This second Compose action will help you demonstrate how to access the Parse JSON fields and combine them in useful ways. In the input field of this new Compose action, click the thunder icon to access the dynamic content. From the list, click on a field like body color as an example. Then you can add a separator like a dash or comma to organize your output. Click the thunder icon again and select another field such as body value. This shows you how to iterate and combine different JSON properties into a single output. Now you can save your automation by clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. Your flow is now ready to process and iterate through JSON data whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that can iterate through JSON data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.